In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the font animation in After Effects. The project file is in the description below. So yeah, you're definitely going to need to rotor out your subject. That's if you want your video to look like mine. But if not, it's fine. So for this specific video, I rotoscoped my subject for my background because I want my text animation to happen up here. So it will need to be behind my subject. So let's go. I'm gonna click on the text tool and you're gonna write your text. My text will be subscribe because please subscribe. Like before we go any further, go and hit subscribe. Is that how we spell subscribe? Yeah, I think so. So I think let's increase the font. The position of it. So I'm gonna move it under my rotoscope. So I want it to appear like this. This is the final product. Let's remove the strokes. And what color? Yeah, I'll be going with FFB400 as a color for this tutorial. And we're gonna right click and pre-compose and call it the text. This is where the animation will be happening. We are going to go to effects and presets, search for slider control. By the way, before we go any further, I forgot. Let's create a new null. And I'm gonna rename this null to 1. If yours is 1 already, that's good, but I think I created a lot of nulls. We're gonna put that slider control into the null. And let's rename our slider control to something cool like font changer. Yeah, that's about it. Now we are going to press T on the text and hold Alt, go to the stopwatch and click on it. And you're gonna apply this expression. You can find it in the description or you could download the project file. So as you can see, it disappears. We're gonna drop down the font and we're gonna say 2. So how this works is actually, it goes by the number layer here, right here on the left. So for example, if I say 1, it's trying to show the null layer, but there's nothing. But if we say 2, there's something. Then I'm gonna go to view for this one, and I'm going to say show ruler, and I'm going to scale, put out my rulers to help me frame my text layers so they of equal size. And yeah, then now I'm gonna duplicate my subscribe text, go to character and change the font. Let's try this one, and then we're gonna increase the scale a little bit. We're gonna increase right here, not too much. Then duplicate again, change the font. So I think you get the gist. The whole point is to duplicate and change the font as many times as you want the animation to go on. So yeah, now we got 10 subscribe layers, but keep in mind I said follow the numbers on the side, so it says 11. Now we're gonna go to 0, click on the Null layer, keyframe 2, and maybe go up 1 second. I think that's too long, but and I'm gonna say 11 because the last text here is 11. Press U to show the keyframes. Then we'll go again, maybe another second, and say 2, and then go again another second, and say 11. So this is to loop it out. Then you're gonna copy. Go another second. You're gonna paste. Go another second. Then you're gonna paste. So basically that loops it out. It makes it seem like it was a lot of words, but actually it's just 11 words. So yeah, when you jump back into our video, that's how we get the font animation effect. Hope you liked the video, and if you've learned something new, make sure to subscribe, show some love, and go download the project file. But thank you, that's it from me. My name is thisComp.layer, and enjoy your day.